This is Aidenn Inspect, the smarter way for property managers to carry out inspections, quickly, consistently, and with far less admin. Just select your property and, using your mobile device, capture photos and videos as you walk around the property. You can either type or record yourself describing what you see, allowing quick note-taking and speeding up your walk-around. From there, Aidenn Inspect uses AI to automatically generate clear, professional inspection narratives, describing condition, highlighting observations, and suggesting next steps. You don't need to type lengthy notes or explain every detail. Just add light context and the app does the heavy lifting for you. Crucially, Aidenn Inspect doesn't stop at reporting. Any actions you identify during the inspection, like repairs or follow-ups, can be sent straight to Fixflo with a single tap. That means issues are raised instantly in Fixflo. There, the issue is logged against the building, automatically categorized by AI, and captured alongside the defect details, recommended remedial works, and inspection images. This eliminates tedious manual admin for you and your team. Aidenn Inspect does it all. The full report is then stored against the building record, so you can refer back to it whenever you need. The result is faster inspections, clearer documentation, and a seamless link between what you see on site and what gets done next. See how inspections turn into action. Book a demo today.